Good morning, students. Today we will cover few topics that is not discussed in the chapter. And the first topic is remove duplicate option. That is very important in Excel. Remove duplicate button under data tab is used to remove duplicate value from a column. Now, as you can see a table here, we have some records that are similar. Means they are having the same serial number, sales executive name, same region, and the same month and the same sales. So what we will do, we will remove those record. So you have to go to data tab, then you have to go to data tools. Under data tools you will find a remove duplicate option. You have to click on it, but before that select the table, then go to remove duplicate option. Here all the columns are selected, means all the fields are selected, and you can see the duplicate values are removed. 4 duplicate values have been removed and 8 unique values remain. Now let us discuss one more example. Control Z. Now you can see that we will again select the table. If you don't select the table, it will show an error message. First select the table, then go to remove duplicate option. Then you can deselect the cells, field names, means under which criteria you want to remove the duplicate, that also you can select. I want to select sales executive names. That means 8 duplicate values are removed and 4 unique values remain, means only the name of 4 unique sales executive will remain for the month of October only, because it will be selecting according to the month. So October comes first before the November. Now again Control Z. I will give you one more example what is remove duplicate. Again I will select the table. Now I will go to remove duplicate. Remove duplicate according to the serial number. So I will deselect all other field name. Now I will press OK. Only serial number is selected, as you can see. Now you can see 4 duplicate values are removed and 8 unique values remain. That means according to the numbers the values are there. So 1 to 8 unique values are there and others are removed. So we will move on to the next topic now. Topic is, can we sort data in multiple fields? In previous classes I have shown you to sort data in one field, but today I will cover to sort the data in multiple fields. For that you have to go to data tab. Under the data tab you can go to sort and filter option. In the sort and filter option, click on the sort option. Now see, sort option is under sort and filter option. Now you can select the options sort by. So I want to sort by the sales executive name and I will press OK. So you can see Mohit's name comes first, then Prashant, then Raghav, then Raman, and their reason is also given, and the month is also sorted according to their name. I will sort in multiple fields. So first I will select sales executive, then I will add a level. Now I will sort it by month. Now I will press OK. You can see the values and you can change the order also. Now you can see that Mohit sells for November, then October, then Prashant sells for November, October. It is sorted in likewise order. Again I will give you one more example of sorting. Now click on the sort, that is under sort and filter group after selecting the table. Now you can see I will select the region and I can change the values according to the any color or anything I want. Then I will select the cells. I will select the cells because it will be easier. Now you can see the smallest to greatest. I want the cells that is the least and that is the highest, that I will see according to region wise. Why? The first criteria was the region and the second criteria was the sales. So now you can see in the Asansol the least value is given at the top, highest value is given below, means in the Asansol only. Then the region Kuch Bihar comes, and in the region Kuch Bihar the smallest and largest value is given. Then in the Siliguri largest and smallest value is given. I think you have got the idea of how to sort multiple fields. You can try more and more examples at home. Now let's move on to the next topic. Our next topic is conditional formatting. So what is the conditional formatting? Conditional formatting is the feature in Excel that sets a cell's format according to conditions that you specify, that is the color, styling, etc. Format according to cells. So select the data of the cells, go to home tab styles, Then conditional formatting, new rule. Here you can find, I will format according to 3 color scale, that is the least it will be red, and the middle value will have yellow color, and the highest value will have green color. So you can see the colors are given according to that only. Conditional formatting is very useful while working with the large set of data. You can uniquely identify the different values and ranges of values in the record set in the database. That's all for today. If you have any doubt, ask me in the next Zoom class. Thank you. Have a nice day, students.